Interesting.
Okay, this next one's even crazier than the last one. This one, I didn't even know how to process this one. This one blew my mind. Kraft rolling out pumpkin spice macaroni and cheese.
That sounds delicious, actually.
Pumpkin spice macaroni and cheese. Like, what can't they apply pumpkin spice to? They do pumpkin spice on everything now. Mm-hmm. Starbucks, I think, popularized it, but then it was just holy moly on a pumpkin spice. You have this picture. It's what looks like a coffee cup filled with mac and cheese, and it has the pumpkin spice packet included. And you actually distribute the pumpkin spice as much as you want onto the mac and cheese after it's been made. Now, I don't know if you knew this, Will, but Canadians love Kraft macaroni and cheese.
Oh, love it.
Which, by the way, is called Kraft Dinner here, but it's only called Kraft Dinner over here. And so Kraft is always trying to take care of the Canadians because it's such a love affair with this particular dish for whatever weird reason.
Yeah.
So they start the promo as Kraft Heinz Canada, but the promo took off, and then the U.S. side said, you can't have all the fun. And Kraft Macaroni and Cheese in the U.S. says on Twitter, our Kraft Dinner friends in Canada had the idea to make pumpkin spice Kraft mac and cheese, and now we're going to bring it to the U.S. Who wants to give it a try? So now you have it's hitting everywhere. It was supposed to be a limited kind of thing. I mean, it is still a limited edition batch, but it's not going to be as limited. Originally, it was going to be only 1,000 units.
Oh.
Super limited. Now, I guess they're going to make more because of the feedback, but originally it was supposed to be 1,000 Canadians that would ever have the chance to taste a bite of pumpkin spice macaroni and cheese. What a wild time. Anything can happen in 2020. Even these bizarre combinations of goods, such as pumpkin spice mac and cheese.